Yeah, it's GG's, bro. What is going on, you guys? It's Nacho with a brand new video. And oh shit, in today's video I have nothing planned really, just going out for a late night ride. It is currently 12. Oh shit, it is currently 12:16 a.m. and I have no plans. Right now I'm on my way to my boy's house so that we can film a little bit tonight. Not entirely sure what we're gonna film tonight, but all I know is we're gonna stay up pretty damn late, and maybe later in the night one of my other boys are gonna come through. So yeah, we really don't got nothing planned. We're just gonna go on with the night. Oh my god, I apologize if you guys hear any coughing or sniffling in this video. I've been sick as for the past 2 weeks, and I know I'm not the only one that's experiencing that. Another thing, it's been raining like shit recently. Just a couple days ago I got an urgent flood warning or whatever that was. It woke me up at 3 in the morning and it's been pouring balls outside, but luckily today it's been nothing but clear skies. So I'm hoping it stays like this for the full week so I can push out some videos for you guys. So we're just gonna wait for my boy to pop out and we're gonna go to the gas station. This is gonna be the third time the car goes off. They're gonna get hella mad. I'm gonna try to be as quiet as possible. Oh my god. Hey, where's the exhaust? My ears! Let's see how much it costs to fill up the R9. One of these days, I'm gonna leave the fucking quick release gas cap on top of this thing, bro. One of these days. I don't wanna jinx it, but bro, I fucking feel it. I bet. $9, not bad. Alright, we're gonna wait on EJ, one of my other boys, and then I'm gonna pick up the video as soon as he gets here. Holy fuck. This is the loudest Ninja 400 I fucking heard in my life. Ninja 400 with no exhaust. From the whole 2025, this is probably one of the most ghetto shit I've seen all year. That's crazy to me. EJ, are you ready for a long night? With this shirt, I could tell you're gonna be ready for a long night, huh? Where the fuck did you get this shirt, bro? Alright, ready for some monsters? They got the purple one. 4 for $9.
30 seconds!
And under this helmet right here is this right here. Could you handle 2? Alright, so we're gonna attempt to take these down and I'll be back with an update. Whoever drops it drinks all day. Alright, so it's 2:30. Stayed here for a little bit of time, drank 1 monster each. So we're gonna go to a view in SF, get some clips in, probably pop the second monster there. And yeah, it should be a chill night, nothing too crazy. So yeah, let's go. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Yo, this is crazy. Holy shit, bro. Yo, what kind of street? It's a fucking roller coaster, bro. Oh shit. Yeah, that's it. What time is it? 3 a.m. on the dot. Holy shit. Tell me you wouldn't come here at 3 a.m. pop a couple monsters with the boys. Yo, it is so peaceful. Dead quiet probably because it's 3 a.m. But holy shit. We're probably going to chill for like 30-40 minutes. Pop a second monster. And just relax for the rest of the night. Get a couple videos in. But yeah, we're just going to chill for a little bit. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so it's been about 40 minutes before I was up there. But I actually brought my bike down here. So my 2 boys are still up there. But just look at this view, bro. I think it's like 3:40 right now. 3:57. We've been here for about an hour, just chilling. Extremely peaceful. Sometimes you guys just need to enjoy life as is. Whatever it is that clears your mind, just do it, you know. But I think we overstayed our welcome, so we're gonna hit up that spot down there. But after that, we're gonna but then after that we're gonna hit up a little roundabout, and there I'm gonna shoot an Insta360 video, and I think that should be it. Might chill at the gas station a little longer, but from there we're probably gonna go home. Hopefully we have no problem with the authorities. Hopefully we have no problem with the authorities, because at the end of the year they're pretty much on crack. So yeah, I'm gonna hit up the video as soon as I hit that spot down there. Is that a Harley? Are we lit up? Oh, I'm tripping, bro. Nah, there's blue and red right behind me. Oh wait. Oh, I did get lit up. Yep. I said hi to him. Oh fuck. Yeah. Yeah, it's us. Yeah, it's GG's, bro. I don't know.
Rides. Where is your plate?
So this is a new model bike. Okay. There's no fender limiter kit available with it yet. It's brand new, but I have it with me.
Okay. mind if I see it? Make sure.
Yeah. You mind if I get up?
Yeah.
Cool.
And you need to be flipped up like that, huh?
So I got rid of the ugly fender thing in the back.
Trust me, I get it. That
Yeah.
beautiful bike, blacked out,
Yeah.
no license. I get worried.
I got you. Here you go, brother. This is my
One more.
registration. I have insurance, so you need it as well. So yeah, as you guys saw, I got pulled over. The camera literally died on the worst possible moment when he realized I had an R9. And I wish I got it on video, but as soon as he realized I had an R9, he asked me if I had an Instagram account. And it's pretty obvious what he's trying to get at. I'll basically summarize everything from the moment my camera died up until the end of the interaction. He basically complimented the bike, loves the murdered outlook, but he doesn't like the idea that I don't have my plate, which I truthfully have nowhere to mount the license plate unless I do like a low mount with some zip ties down there. But I personally don't like doing that just because I personally lost a plate like that and I don't want to do that again. So as an alternative, I always have the license plate with me along with the registration. Everything's completely legal. I'm just extremely respectful to the cops, which they do appreciate. He was more so just worried on the fact that I have a completely blacked out bike, no plate, which is completely understandable. I don't blame him one bit for pulling me over. I just found it kind of sus where he turned on his lights as we were kind of facing each other, but the reason why he pulled me over was for my rear plate. So I don't completely understand, but nonetheless, he was an extremely respectful cop, completely understanding. And I want to thank him because as soon as he figured out that I had an R9 and I had that bike page, he basically warned me, basically saying that the police department knows about my page. Even though I don't post any crazy things on it, I don't be posting going 170 miles an hour down the freeway. Nonetheless, I still post me going a little over the speed limit. It's still legal, but it's just a little over the speed limit. So all he was trying to do is basically warn me that they have an eye out on this bike, which I can completely understand how it looks, but something I want to admit, most of the clips that you guys are seeing are partially sped up, have motion blur effects on the edges, and have fisheye lenses which make the bike appear to be traveling faster than what it looks. So although the bike looks like it's doing 200 miles an hour down the freeway, it's really not. The R9 top speed is about 150, and if you go back to all my videos, you can clearly tell I'm going nowhere near that. There's not one video out there that shows my miles per hour. You can clearly tell there's some type of post-production editing going on. So that's something I want to clear up, especially with these Insta360 cameras. The power in this little device, you can have this stick all the way out here, and with some simple editing, you can make it look like this bike is going 200 miles an hour. I would actually prove it right now that the camera distance is literally only this far. With some simple editing, you can make this bike look extremely far from the stick and going extremely fast. So it's not hard to do at all. Literally just pinch the screen. This fisheye lens will make this bike look extremely quick. Once again, it's an R9, it's not an R1. And I would never promote illegal actions on my channel. That's why most of my videos have a disclaimer in it. That cop interaction was kind of a reality check for me, I guess you can say. So obviously I have a platform where I can speak on things, and I do want to let you guys know, all jokes aside, if you guys have a bike or are planning to get a bike, please be as safe as you guys possibly can. Obviously, when you get your first sport bike, you're going to be doing some dumb things. Just please be safe. As I say in almost all my videos, invest in a stabilizer. That will most definitely save your life, whether it comes to hard acceleration. If your front wheel comes up for any reason and comes back down at an angle or at a pothole, it will lose balance. And if you don't have a stabilizer, you'll fall. And obviously a stabilizer will not save your life if you don't have skill. Please learn the skill of riding a bike first before you even get a stabilizer. So yeah, if you guys have questions on bike, whether it be you have one or you're looking into one, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'm trying my hardest to get back to everyone. I'm trying to set a day where I just go down the list of replying to everyone. So if you have any questions, send me a DM and I'll try my hardest to get back to you. Oh, I hear a cop. Oh yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked, bro. Oh yeah, another thing I want to clear up, you guys probably saw me from the view getting pulled over and then teleporting over here. After the view, we actually went more down south, and after we got pulled over, we just figured to come back over here. Just because we've never been here and we kind of want to explore the city a little more. And given that it's the 30th, they're probably going to take these lights down sometime soon. So with that being said, following the new year, at the date of this recording, it's currently December 30th. I'm going to stay far more consistent on my YouTube channel because I want to hit at least 100K by the end of 2026, and I promise there are going to be some bangers coming out early January and February. I got a whole lot of video ideas lined up, and if everything goes smoothly, you guys should be able to see those videos very soon. One of my performance mods already got shipped. This ECU is about to get sent out once again for the new exhaust system. I have been in contact with the person sending out the new exhaust, and that should be coming in very soon. And other than that, we still got a lot more mods to come in. Not entirely sure what we're gonna do about the mirror delete. I think we're gonna go with the sequential light, so I'll order that real soon. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to pull over, probably time to go home now. Don't want to get pulled over again. I think we got enough monsters in our system, so we're good to go home. I actually want to thank that cop for letting me off with a warning. He was extremely respectful, completely understanding. So huge thank you to you. Thank you for giving me that heads up. But yeah, I think that might wrap up today's video unless I get pulled over once again. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions, follow my socials, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.